Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Butterbear Island Adventure Pass in Heartopia. First, just open the Butterbear Island event and then just simply tap on start like this. And once you're inside this event menu, just look for the actions button. Activate button, this one. And then in here to unlock the premium adventure pass, you will need the 180 hard diamonds, and if you have enough, just simply confirm the purchase and pass will be activated immediately. And with this premium pass, it will give you extra rewards as you progress through the event on here, including more cookies and then other valuable items like this. You can get the unique furniture, and depending on these rewards available, you may even earn back some hard diamonds you spend like this. You can see you can get the 180 diamonds too. It will making it a great option if you plan to complete the pass. And okay, that's all you need to do. The process is quick and only take a few taps. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.